How to enable resharing your stories on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable resharing your stories on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile. Here click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and then you will find settings, and now click privacy, and here you will find story. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find allow resharing to stories. Now all you need to do is just click on it if you want to enable it, and then just go back, and that's how to enable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.